The death of lattes and guilt. Stop. Seriously stop. Stop feeling guilty about that $5 latte. Stop cutting coupons like it's 1995. And for the love of God, stop listening to those financial gurus who tell you that living a miserable, restricted life is the only way to get rich. I'm Smith, and today we're breaking down Ramit Sethi's I Will Teach You to Be Rich. This isn't just a book, it's a 6-week combat manual for your bank account. We're talking about rich life, not dry bread and water life. If you want to spend extravagantly on the things you love while automating your wealth in the background, stick around. This is the only money video you'll ever need. Week 1 and 2, optimizing credit and beating the banks. Week 1 is about the boogeyman of finance, credit cards. In the US, we're taught to fear them. Ramit says, use them as a tool. If you pay them off every month, they are literally giving you free flights, buyer protection, and building a credit score that'll save you $100K on your future mortgage. Here's your American-style pro tip. Call your bank. Use this script. Hi, I've been a loyal customer for 3 years. I see other cards offering 0% APR and no late fees. I'd like you to waive my annual fee. Most of the time, they'll say yes just to keep you. It's about leverage. Week 2, banks. Stop paying maintenance fees. If your bank charges you for holding your money, fire them. Move to a high-yield online savings account, period. Weeks 3 and 4, the conscious spending plan. The meat. Now let's get into the engine room. Most people use a budget. Budgets suck. They feel like a diet. Instead, we use a conscious spending plan. Divide your take-home pay into 4 buckets. Fixed costs, 50 to 60%. Rent, utilities, debt. Investments, 10%. This is for your future self. Savings, 5 to 10% for big wins like a wedding or a house. Guilt-free spending, 20 to 35%. This is the magic. See that last one? That's for the $200 dinners, the designer sneakers, or the VIP tickets. Ramit's philosophy is ruthlessly cut costs on the things you don't love so you can spend extravagantly on the things you do. If you don't care about cars, drive a junker. But if you love travel, fly business class. No guilt. That's a rich life. Week 5, the set it and forget it automation. This is where 99% of people fail. They try to use willpower. Guess what? Willpower fails. Systems don't. You need to build a money funnel. When your paycheck hits on the 1st, your system should automatically send money to your Roth IRA, your savings, and pay your electric bill before you even see the balance. By the 5th of the month, all your adulting is done. Whatever's left in your checking account, you can spend it until it hits 0. That is financial freedom, not having to think about it. Week 6, investing, why boring is sexy. Week 6, the big leagues. People think investing is about picking the next Apple or Tesla. It's not. That's gambling. Investing is about asset allocation. Ramit pushes for low-cost index funds or target date funds. You're not trying to beat the market, you're trying to own the market. If you invest $500 a month starting at age 25, by the time you're 65, you're looking at roughly $1.5 million, assuming 7 to 8% return. The best part? It takes 0 effort once it's set up. The big wins, negotiating and scaling. Before we wrap, we gotta talk about the big wins. You can only save so much, but you can earn an unlimited amount. Ramit is big on negotiating, whether it's a 10K raise at your job or a lower rate on your insurance. One 15-minute phone call can be worth more than a year of skipping lattes. Focus on the big numbers, not the small change. Conclusion: define your rich life. Look, a rich life isn't my life, and it's not Ramit's life. It's yours. For some of you, it's being able to buy the extra guacamole without looking at the price. For others, it's quitting a job you hate to paint full-time. The book is just the tool. You are the architect. Go get the book, set up the automation, and stop worrying about money so you can start living your life. If this helped you, smash that like button and let me know in the comments, what does your rich life look like? I'm reading every single one. Stay rich, guys. Peace.